Fifth science, living world. Plants and animals are living beings. There are certain characteristics to decide them as a living beings. The characteristics of living beings are given here. Know about this. First characteristic, living beings are made up of cells. Observe these pictures. They are of plant and animal cells. You must have observed how a house is being constructed when several things such as bricks, cement, water, steel, wood, and arranged in an order, a house gets ready. Similarly, the body of living beings is made up of cells. You will learn more about cells in higher classes. Now we discussing second characteristics. Living beings respire. You have learned in the previous classes that living beings respire. During respiration, living beings take in air, use the oxygen, and give out carbon dioxide. Observe the given picture, identify the picture. It is a respiratory organ, lungs. There are special organs to respire in animals. Plants also depend on oxygen for their respiration. Usually, they respire through stomata, which are small openings which are present on the lower surface of leaves. Think, what are the advantages of the energy that is obtained from the food? It provides all of the energy you need to keep active throughout the day, nutrients you need for growth and repair. Now we discussing third characteristic, living beings eat food. Living beings perform many activities daily such as wood cutting, carrying load, hunting, etc. Now we discussing food of plants. Each part of a plant does one or the other activity. Don't they also need food? How do plants obtain their food? Yes, green plants produce their own food. That is why green plants are called autotrophs. Now we discussing preparation of food in plants. Observe this picture. Plants use solar energy, carbon dioxide in air, absorb water, minerals and salts from soil through fruits and prepare food with the help of chlorophyll in a leaf. This process is called as photosynthesis. In the preparation of food by the plants, glucose is produced and oxygen is released. Observe the pictures of given below. How do these plants obtain their food? Plants like Drosera, Nepenthes, Utricularia prepare their own food. They depend on insects for nitrogen. These are called insectivorous plants. Remaining part we will discussing in next video. Thank you for watching.